Hi guys, I am back with another amazing opportunity InfyTQ, and in this video we will talk about what is InfyTQ, what are the roles offered through it, the eligibility and registration process, and InfyTQ rounds and exam pattern, and finally how to prepare. So let's start the video. So let's start with what is InfyTQ. So InfyTQ is like a certification exam conducted by Infosys. So if you pass that exam, then you will be called as Infosys certified programmer. Okay, बट सिर्फ ये एक एग्ज़ाम नहीं है. अगर इसमें आप अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो तो इंटरव्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिलती है और फिर आपको इन्फोसिस से रोल्स भी ऑफर्ड होते हैं बेस्ड ऑन द परफॉर्मेंस इन योर इंटरव्यू. ओके, 3 डिफरेंट रोल्स हैं. So you will get the role based on your performance in the interview. Now let's see what are the roles. So these 3 roles are offered by InfyTQ. First one is system engineer, whose package is 3.6 lakhs. Second one is digital specialist engineer, or we call as DSE. The package is 6.25 lakhs. And the last one is specialist programmer, and it has the highest package, which is of 8 lakhs. Okay. So based on your performance in the interview, you can get any of these 3 roles. Now let's talk about the eligibility and registration process. Exam will be conducted between 6th to 9th February and you can choose your slots. Okay. Eligibility is the batch 2023, means the students who will be graduating in 2023. Degrees are BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MCM and MSc. Okay. So this is the eligibility. Now let's see the registration process. रजिस्ट्रेशन में कुछ नहीं करना. InfyTQ की खुद की वेबसाइट है, वहाँ पे जाके एंड दीज आर सम स्टेप्स. ओके, लेट्स सी, दे हैव गिवन द डिटेल. So first you have to go to this website InfyTQ, then click on register and sign in. Then you will fill up this register form. Then you will verify your email, accept the terms and conditions, then enter your required info, then submit form, then click on this programs. You will see 3 options. So choose Infosys certification. Okay, click Infosys certification. After that you will see a register now button, and then you will have to update your profile again, verify your details, and then book your slot. So in book slot you will see some slots on which date you want to give exam. So after you book slot, you can choose your preferences and book the slot. Okay, so confirm your slot and finally your registration will be done. So ये registration से step हो गए. I will attach this link in the description box, so you can refer to that. Okay, it's a long process. Let's talk about the exam pattern. Okay, so there is like 3 sections. One is DBMS MCQ, database MCQ. One is Java or Python MCQ, and other one is Java or Python hands-on coding. Okay, so when you will book your slot then you will choose the language, whether Java or Python. So there are only 2 languages available, Java and Python. You have to choose one. Okay, so whichever you choose, you will get MCQs and hands-on coding, means coding question on that language. Okay, now let's talk about the rounds. So there will be 2 rounds. One is certification round and the another one is advantage round. Okay, actually I have prepared a diagram where you can understand this, like what is certification round and what is advantage round. So let's go to that. तो यार वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले आपको दिख ही रहा होगा कि 80% से ज़्यादा लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब बिना किए वीडियो देख रहे हैं. यार प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो, सो दैट आई गेट मोर मोटिवेशन टू मेक वीडियोज़. ओके, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल यार. So I have prepared this flow chart. So see, what is InfyTQ process? First you will register, then you will have this certification round. Okay, if you don't clear that, then tata bye bye, nothing happens. Now if you clear, then this advantage round is optional. Okay, so आप इसके लिए opt कर सकते हो या नहीं भी कर सकते. I will recommend that you should definitely opt for this advantage round. Okay, this is optional. So अगर ये certification round clear कर लिया, और if you do not opt, let's say you do not opt for this advantage round, so what happen, आपका एक इंटरव्यू होगा, उसमें अगर पास हो जाते हो, अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो, then you will get this role, system engineer role. Okay, so द डिसएडवांटेज इज दैट इफ यू डोंट ऑप्ट फॉर एडवांटेज राउंड, तो आपको कंसिडर ही नहीं करेंगे बाकी दो हायर रोल्स के लिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम रिकमेंडिंग टू ऑप्ट फॉर दिस एडवांटेज राउंड ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ अगर सर्टिफिकेशन राउंड क्लियर कर लिया तो उसके बाद एक और राउंड होगा एडवांटेज राउंड. उसके लिए आपने मान लो ऑप्ट किया सी. अगर वो नहीं भी क्लियर होता तो भी देखो आपका घूम फिर के वापस बात यही इंटरव्यू पे आ जाती है. आपका इंटरव्यू तो ये होगा ही होगा अगर आप सर्टिफिकेशन राउंड क्लियर करते हो तो. एडवांटेज राउंड सिर्फ ऑप्शनल है. अगर ये नहीं क्लियर होता तो आपका दोबारा इंटरव्यू होगा और आपको फिर सिस्टम इंजीनियर का रोल मिल सकता है. बट इफ़ यू क्लियर दिस तो आपका एक इंटरव्यू होगा और वहाँ पे आपको ये दो हायर रोल्स भी मिल सकते हैं. डीएसई रोल जिसका पैकेज 6.25 लैक्स है एंड स्पेशलिस्ट प्रोग्रामर रोल जिसका पैकेज 8 लैक्स है. डेट्स वाई आई एम रिकमेंडिंग टू ऑप्ट फॉर दिस एडवांटेज राउंड. अगर क्लियर हो गया और फिर इंटरव्यू दिया तो इन तीनों में से कोई भी रोल मिल सकता है. अगर बाई चांस नहीं भी क्लियर हुआ तो अपना ये इंटरव्यू तो है ही ना सिस्टम इंजीनियर रोल के लिए. सो इफ यू क्लियर दिस सर्टिफिकेशन राउंड देन डेफिनेटली यू शुड opt for this advantage round and try your best in the interview. You can get any of these 3 roles. Okay, now finally let's see how to prepare for InfyTQ. So I have found this amazing resource. It has all the questions like Java, Python, DBMS, certification round and advantage round. So if you see about Java you will see various topics and for each topic you will get some quizzes. Okay, so you can practice from here. Likewise for Java also, and here you will get the questions of certification round and the coding questions in the advantage round. Okay, one more resource I have found is this YouTube playlist. It has like around 23 videos and all are having coding questions that are being asked in InfyTQ. And the amazing part is that they have explained both in Java and Python. Okay, so these two are very amazing resources that I have found. I will attach them in the description box. Okay, you can also find some more resources like if you simply search for InfyTQ questions now, then you will get some resources. Okay, like Python MCQs, DBMS MCQs and much more. So just search InfyTQ questions and you will find much resources on it. Okay, and I will attach this playlist and this one, okay, in the description box. So I think that's it for this video. So if you are from the batch of 2023 then please do participate in this. It is an amazing opportunity. या फिर अपने दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करना जो भी एलिजिबल है. वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना एंड मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहो, कोडिंग करते रहो एंड विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.